I'm back, and this is where I left you with the two proof of the first one. We proved that, and with that result I left you. And I said I want you to prove the second two proof. If you look at the second two proof and the result which we got in the first two proof, is there something same? Yes, if you see the left hand side of that second two proof and the right hand side of the result of the first two proof, they are same. That means somehow we have that left hand side of the second two proof. We just need to get that right hand side of the second two proof equal to the left hand side of the result of the first two proof. That is our job. So now let's focus on the right hand side of the two proof, that is second one. So first term is AE square. Now for AE, does AE belong to any triangle? Yes. Which triangle is that? It is triangle AEO, right? Now what type of triangle is it? It's a right angle triangle. So in that right angle triangle, tell me how will we get AE square? By Pythagoras theorem. Let's do it now. So we apply Pythagoras theorem, we write in triangle AEO. We know that measure of angle AEO is how much? It is 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Known to us because it is given. So now we apply Pythagoras theorem. So we'll get OA square is equal to OE square plus AE square, and that is by Pythagoras theorem, and that is our statement number 4, result number 4. So first one is done. Now we move on to the second one. So second one is CD square. Now for CD square, let's do the same way. Now CD, does it belong to any triangle? Yes. Which triangle is that? It is triangle CDO, right? In that triangle, is it a right angle triangle? Yes, it is a right angle triangle. So can we apply Pythagoras theorem to get CD square? Yes, we apply Pythagoras theorem. So now what we get there is nothing but when we apply, we get in triangle CDO, angle CDO is equal to 90 degree. Why it is 90 degree? Because it is given to us. Beautiful. So now we apply Pythagoras theorem. So what do we get? We get OC square is equal to OD square plus CD square, which is our result number 5 by Pythagoras theorem. Easy? Superb. That means we got the second one. Now we move on to the third one, the final one which we want, that is BF square. Observe the same way now. First, BF belongs to which triangle? It belongs to triangle BFO. But BFO is which type of a triangle? It's a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, how will we get BF square? By Pythagoras theorem. Beautiful. So let's apply it now. So we get here in triangle BFO. Angle BFO is equal to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because it is given to us. That means we say that when we apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get OB square is equal to BF square plus OF square, which is our statement number 6. Reason is by Pythagoras theorem. Now what has happened is, we wanted AE square, which we got in result number 4. We wanted CD square, we got it in result number 5. We wanted BF square, we got it in result number 6. Now we just need to add all those. That means now what we are going to do is addition of 4, 5 and 6. Now when we add the three statements, what we are going to do is we are going to add the left hand side and the right hand side. So left hand side OA square plus the left hand side of statement number 5, that is OC square, plus the left hand side of statement number 6, that is OB square. Left hand side done. Now we move on to the right hand side. So it will be right hand side of statement number 4, that is OE square plus AE square, which we got here. Now the right hand side of statement number 5. So we get OD square plus, that is CD square, plus now the right hand side of statement number 6. So we have BF square plus, that is OF square. Beautiful. Wasn't that easy? Simple, right? Now the left hand side, that is OA square plus OC square plus OB square, remains as it is. Now remember what we want there. Now we want it same like what we wanted there, that is minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square, we want it on the left hand side. Let's do that now. If you see that OE square moves on to the left hand side, so I'll get minus OE square. OD square moves on to the left hand side, so I get minus OD square, and same way plus OF square moves on to the left hand side, I'll get minus OF square. That is equal to, what is left on the right hand side is nothing but it is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Beautiful. Wasn't that easy? Now I want you to observe very carefully. Now this particular thing and the result which we have placed at the top, if you look there, the left hand side, observe the left hand side here very carefully of both the statement and tell me what do you observe about the left hand side here. Observe carefully. Yes, they are equal. So now if they are equal, observe the right hand side of both the statements and tell me what can you say about the right hand side. If the left hand sides are equal, the right hand side will also be equal. That means now we can say that the right hand side of that top statement and the statement which we have here have to be equal. That means we will get AF square plus BD square plus CE square. That particular right hand side is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square, and we get the proof. Isn't that interesting? Or very important.